In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share spreadsheets with your team in Google Sheets. If you are collaborating on a project, tracking work, or simply keeping everyone aligned in one place, sharing your spreadsheet the right way is essential. Google Sheets makes this process quick and flexible, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it clearly and confidently. Start by opening your document in Google Sheets. Before you share it, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you are in the correct file and that it's ready for others to access. This helps avoid sending your team to the wrong spreadsheet or sharing something unfinished by mistake. Once your spreadsheet is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This opens the sharing window, which is where you control who can access the file and what they're allowed to do inside it. In the input box, type your team members' email addresses. If your organization uses a Google Groups mailing list, you can enter that instead, which can be especially useful when you want to give access to an entire team at once, rather than adding people one by one. As you enter recipients, make sure you are selecting the correct contacts so the right people receive access. Next, choose an access role from the drop-down menu. This part is important because it determines how each person can interact with the spreadsheet. If you select Viewer, they'll have read-only access. This is best when someone only needs to see the information and shouldn't make any changes. If you choose Commenter, they'll be able to view the sheet and leave feedback through comments. This option works well when you want input or review without allowing direct edits to the data itself. If you choose Editor, they'll be able to add, change, or remove data in the spreadsheet. Use this setting when you want teammates to actively collaborate and update the file together. After that, check the Notify People box. When this is selected, Google Sheets will automatically send an invitation email to the people you've added. This is helpful because it lets them know right away that the spreadsheet has been shared with them, and it gives them a direct link to open it. Finally, click Send. Once you do that, your spreadsheet is shared and your team members will be able to access it based on the permission level you assigned.